How to create report in AppSheet. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create report in AppSheet. Firstly, open AppSheet Editor. Go to AppSheet and open your app. From the left side menu, click on Automation. Then click plus New Bot and give it a name like Daily Report Bot. Choose a scheduled event as the trigger like Run Every Day. Under Process, click Add a Step and Run a Task. Choose Email or Document Generation as the task type. Use a Google Docs or Word template with placeholders. Choose the table or view that contains the report data. Then set to Subject and Body. Use the Preview Email button to test and preview the report output. Then click Save and toggle the bot on. Check your audit log to see if reports are running correctly. Thank you so much for watching.